Hello everyone, my name is K. Rajesh. I am from CSE C section. Today I am here to speak about audience is not your enemy. Introduction to speaking skills. Language is a tool for communication. We communicate with others to express our ideas and to know others' ideas as well. Communication takes place where there is speech. Without speech, we cannot communicate with other. Without speech, a language is reduced to mere script. The use of language is an activity which takes place within the confines of our community. We use language in a variety of situations. Definition. Speaking is an act of making vocal cords. We can say that speaking means to converse or expressing one's thoughts and feelings in spoken language. To speak often implies conveying information. It may be from an informal remark to the scholarly presentation to the formal address. Speaking skills are the skills that gives us the ability to communicate efficiently. Essentials of effective speaking skills. The essentials of effective speaking skills are: the audience is not the enemy. Write your speech word for word. Bring life to your words with colorful images and example. 6 words that make change the way of you speak. Make a point, tell a story. 6 emotions that will connect with any audience: happiness, sadness, angry, surprise, disgust, and fear. Do not underestimate the power of a laugher. Do not tell us, take us. The audience is not the enemy. The reason why people avoid public speaking skills is because they have a fear of it, which is partially feared of an unknown and possibly hostile audience. Just remember that the audience is not the enemy. Do not try to get rid of your fear. Strap up it and consider it to a constant compassion which keeps you trying to do your best. The audience will forgive an occasional mistake. Just remember to locate some friendly faces out there. Those people who seems to be nodding and in general getting enthusiastic about your message. If you do happen to make a mistake, locate those friends' faces. Just remember that because you see someone who seems not to be enthusiastic, it could be a combination of culture, personality, or occupation that does permit them to show it as openly as. Write your speech word for word. Good speaking begins with good writing. Good writing depends on good editing. For example, Gettysburg Addresses, delivered by Abraham Lincoln during American Civil War. This consists of 10 sentences that took a total of 2 minutes to deliver. There is an apocryphal story about how it was cobbled together by Lincoln on the back of an envelope on his way to give the speech. That is simply not true, because we have several drafts of his speech which prove otherwise. What is interesting in reading and drafting is not what including in the speech. It, it was how much was taken out. Every word has a purpose. Bring life to your words with colorful images and example. The- There is where style becomes apparent. Choose those words which evoke the audience's own imagination so that they start to experience what you are saying rather than just hearing it. 6 words that can change the way you speak. Make a point, tell a story. The speaker should have a point in his or her speech rather than explain that point to audience. He needs to have them discover it through experiencing it as part of the story he tells. 6 emotions that will connect with the audience: happiness, sadness, angry, surprise, disgust, and fear. Choose words which not only create an image but evoke at least one of the emotion listed above. When people empathize with you, mm, they are more willing to accept your message that you want to convey in your speech. Do not underestimate the power of a laugher. When we laugh, we relax. When we relax, our minds are more receptive to listening. The, pro- the professional's joke teller is a comedian. You do not have to be a comedian to make people laugh. Just ask yourself what makes you laugh. Take a notebook, write uh, with you or a digital recorder, and if you see something that makes you laugh, write it down and make a humor file. In fact, this technique works with the six emotions listed above. Then have this on hand so that you can insert these into a speech, into a place where they will have the most. Do not tell us, take us. Rather than describing the incident like a reporter, take us as an eyewitness to the event by acting it out with movements, gestures, vocal inflections that put us right there in the middle of the action. Thank you.